If you're unsure what to take on a trail, know that some essential items can't be missing. Watch and remember, it may seem like a lot of work, but it's better to take these items with you than to miss them during an emergency. Comfortable and waterproof shoes. Let's clear something up immediately. It's not a good idea to wear new shoes while hiking. If you are hiking in the mountains on an uneven trail with slopes, opting for boots with good traction and cushioning capacity is preferable. If the course takes place on flat, uneven terrain, soft and flexible shoes with good ankle support are a suitable option. For the end of the day or crossing streams, it is essential to consider some slippers or walking sandals. Appropriate clothing for each route. The clothing must also match the weather and the type of trail, and above all, must allow for complete freedom of movement. In the case of mountain trekking, several superimposed layers are necessary, as the temperatures drop a lot at nightfall. If it is rainy weather, a third waterproof layer is essential, such as a waterproof jacket and overpants. The trick is to take several pairs of socks to change regularly to prevent blistering. And it may even be necessary to wear a hat or scarf on sunny days, or a hat and a pair of gloves for hiking at altitude or in winter. The right backpack. The right backpack is compact because if it's too big, it tends to inflate it, and it should have adjustable straps and good storage. It is crucial to consider protecting your backpack with a waterproof cover in the rainy months. SOS kit. A small SOS kit can be a life buoy, but what to include in the kit? Nothing that can't be fixed quickly. Probably, many of these items are kept there at home. More common medications, plasters for shoe injuries, and saline to clean a scratch. A detailed map of the location and a compass. A charged mobile phone, valid emergency numbers, and a power bank. Trekking lantern and a headlamp. A knife or a pocket knife, a whistle, and a survival blanket. Walking sticks as hiking essentials. The walking sticks are one of the trekking and hiking essentials, and can make all the difference along the way. A bottle of water and proper meals. Proper hydration and nutrition tracking are prioritized when you spend hours or days following tracks. It is essential to keep your body and mind at 100%. That's why it's imperative not to forget the water bottle. For adventurers who want to start hiking frequently and discover trekking, it is crucial to think of all the hiking essentials for walking and trekking. For all occasions, it is necessary to be prepared.